Hello guys, so today simply we are going to be looking at how we can best make a program that can find equivalent numbers. Here you are going to use a C program, and here I'm using my development C++ application so that I can make this. So here we're going to be looking at it. First of all, we use the hashtag include, then we use our stdio.h, then later on we go to the int main. I think right now everyone is well conversant about this one, and then here we are going to put our two integers, that is int a, then also we are going to have int b, that's integer, int is for integer. Then later on we are going to provide our statement, like a simple program that can enable the user to know what the user is going to do, what the user is going to be using our program to do. So I'll say printf. Here I can put some space and I'm like, then I say values to be checked. Here it will be preferable to use small letters. Then yeah, those are the semicolons that we are going to be using to terminate our line. After printing that, enter our values to be checked. Then I enter the value of a. So we again use printf, and then we tell the user to enter the value of a. As you can see, after entering the value of a, still we will need to have the value to know what next, but then it will be on the second line. So afterwards, after the user entering the value of a, what is required necessary? After entering the value of a, then we have to scan it. So the scanning procedure, use the scan if, and then you say the %d, then we put a comma and say underscore. We use an underscore and a. This is to help us call upon the value of a that had been entered by the user. Sorry, here I've used an m which is not supposed to be there. So later on we are going to see. Then afterwards, what will the user do? The user will printf. We will show the user to also enter the value of b. That's /n is to provide some space, and then we get to the new line. So we'll also again scan the value of b, that the user has entered. So we use the same procedure. %d, then we put a comma, then use an underscore. Sorry, we use an underscore, and then we put b. Then we also have to terminate this one. So afterwards, this is the I use these the forward slashes, and those are like commenting. So the test under condition is what I'm going to put here below. So what is our test? What are we trying to find out? So here we are going to use the integrand. The integrand will be like, what is a equivalent to b? So the double slashes are like, if at all you are to use a single equal sign, then it will be like a is equal to b. But then if you are to use the two equal signs, then it will be like inquiring, is a equal to b? Then use a question mark since you're asking our compiler. So we shall say printf, if a is equal to b, what do we do? If a is equal to b, we will say that the value of a is equal to b, is equal to b, sorry, is equal to b. Then if at all it's not right, what are we going to do? So here, this is the integrand. Use the colon, the full colon, not the semicolon, and then you say that if it's not equal to that, then we will have to printf that the value of a is not equal to what? Equal to b. Hence we have to, then that's the simple condition under what? Under the integrand. Then later on we just have to return something in order for our program to stop. Afterwards, I'm going to do the compilation and run our program to see what is going to be the output. So this is our output. So as you can see, our space there, I use reverse slashes and then two tabs, so it has given us some space. Then it wrote the values to be checked. So it will require me to enter the value of A. Let me assume I put the value of A as 12. Then when I press enter, it will be telling me that enter the value of B. Then I'll be like, let me say the value of B is 5. Then it will be telling me what? The value of A is not equal to B. So the program is simply right. So thank you for listening and giving me your time. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more updates about the compilation and the running of programs, C programs, C++ programs, as you might go furthermore knowing about the programming languages. Thank you so much.